Hey guys, what's up? I'm back for another video. Like I said, well, I didn't basically say anything, but there's like something on my door I've been wanting to know. It's like this type of mirror thing. But look right here. Yeah. There's a vent I cannot fit in. I can show you guys how tall I am and how flipping skinny I am. You see this? Does that? Okay, so guys, I will catch you guys later. I will be making another video. My space stuff needs some of my stuff needs to be deleted. This is what I'm looking at right now. I'm here. Okay, so I will catch you guys later. So bye.